Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix printer is offline in Windows 11. First method is uninstall and reinstall printer. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update printer driver. Third method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Stop and start printer spooler service. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.